The graph of the non-constant polynomial right there is shown above. Which of the following describes the end behavior of P? So end behavior is limit, okay? And as we can see, they want us to write it out as limit. So let's find out what the limits are. When you move to the left without bound, you are trying to find the limit as x approaches negative infinity. The limit as x approaches negative infinity has my graph going upward, which means it is positive infinity. Similarly, if I move to the right without bound, I'm asking you the limit as x approaches regular infinity because x is getting bigger, and y also happens to get bigger, so both of my limits are going to be infinity. So the limit as x approaches negative infinity is negative infinity? Nope. The limit as x approaches negative infinity is infinity? That's true, but that's only half of it. The limit as x approaches infinity is negative infinity? Nope. The limit as x approaches infinity is positive infinity? That's true, but also the limit as x approaches negative infinity is negative infinity? That's not true, so B's got to be my guy. Even though it seems a little incomplete, that's going to be the one I'm going with.